Hello, everyone. Welcome to System Fix Lab. I'm Kai Notron. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to enable shared folders, Clipboard, and drag and drop in VMware Workstation in less than a minute. Let's get started. It's very simple. Right-click on the virtual machine you want. In this case, Windows 11. Go to the setting. From the top menu, select Options. Now go to Shared Folders on the left side. Check the box for Always Enabled. Click Add, then choose a folder from your host computer. Anything you put inside this folder will be shared with the virtual machine. Click Next. In this step, if you enable Read Only, the virtual machine can only read the files, but cannot modify or delete them. Finally, make sure to check Map as Network Drive in Windows Guest, so the shared folder appears as a separate drive inside Windows. Next, to enable drag and drop and copy paste, go to Guest Isolation. Check both options. Click OK, then power on your virtual machine. You might notice that none of the three features are working yet. Don't worry, we're not done. Now we need to install VMware Tools. Right-click on your virtual machine, select Install VMware Tools. A virtual CD will appear inside the virtual machine. Open it and run the setup. Just follow the installation. Click Next, Next, and Finish. Once the installation is complete, restart the virtual machine. After reboot, you will see that shared folders, drag and drop, and copy paste are all working perfectly. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.